I submitted a paper in, I think it was Genome Biology, was it about 3-4 years ago. I think it was a very new thing. That was what basically attracted me to open access, and I think it has since given me more publicity than any other type of publication would give. The peer review was very quick. I think at that time it was definitely quicker than traditional journals. I personally am very frustrated if I'm reading a paper online and then I can't access the cited paper by one click, that it turns out that I need to go and pay something somewhere. It's not that I would personally not be able to pay, but just that it is rather frustrating and backward, I think. I think that in general open access publishing is a future. It makes so much easier to read the papers and be in touch and follow the references that I even don't understand what are the arguments against it. We have to understand that publishing is an entrepreneurship, and somebody has to organize these journals. And that can be commercial, it can be non-profit. I think that's not the point, really. The point is that the business model nowadays should be changed. That there's absolutely no reason why the grant which is funding the research should not also fund the publishing costs, making it possible to access all the papers for everybody by one click, which technology nowadays allows. I sometimes hear that it would hurt the professional societies, but I think this is more technical than strategic, because it would effectively mean that their members will not have to pay for something else. So they could pay the subscription fees to these professional societies in some other ways. And in general, when we hear arguments against open access publishing, I think it's much more technical than anything else. And I think instead of trying to find these reasons why we can't do it, which are clearly very technical, and trying to delay the progress, instead I think we should think about how to speed up the progress and how to change these business models to make every journal open access as soon as possible.